What time is it? It's time to snack. It's time for a movement snack. That's right, with all that brain work, it's time for a reset. Get ready to restore your energy and rev your brain up. Let's start moving. Miss AP here to help restore your energy. Before we begin, let's start with our warm-up by doing 2 forward folds. Standing your tall mountain, arms up, folding over, feeling that stretch, rolling up one last time, arms up, folding over, feeling that stretch, rolling back into your tall mountain. Nice job. Now that we have warmed up our body, we are ready to exercise. Today we are going to learn the basic movements of a burpee. To do a burpee, we'll start in the ready position with our feet apart, hands at our sides, and we are going to squat down into our imaginary chair until we bend and land our hands on the floor. We're going to stretch our legs out, almost like in that plank position, and walk our legs forward, standing back up into our ready position. Coming back down into our squat, hands down on the floor, walking your feet out, walking your feet up, and standing back in your ready position. One last time, coming down into your squat, hands down on the floor, walking your feet back, walking your feet up, coming back into your ready position. Give yourselves a big clap, clap. Nice job. Let's cool down by taking 2 deep breaths. Deep breath in, deep breath out. Deep breath in, deep breath out. Great job. Wow, that was some awesome work. You just finished a 2-minute movement snack to restore your energy. Now get ready to jump back into learning. Remember to use the exercise snack we just finished to keep moving all day long.